Hello and welcome to a new video where we will demonstrate drawing some beautiful flowers. Are you ready to go? Okay, let us start with a typical flower. We have a center circle and then we draw some petals around it, and we have a stem and we have drawn two leaves. We can color it. Yellow and green has been selected for this flower. You can choose whatever color you like. Okay, now we move to our second picture. This is the picture of a rose flower. We start with a circle, and inside the circle we partition it using some straight lines or a somewhat curvy lines. Then we draw some petals around the circle and we can color it. So here we are drawing some tulip flowers, and all those tulip flowers are attached to a single stem. So first we draw a stem and we can attach all those tulip flowers to this same stem, and we now draw leaves, and finally we can color it. So that is what about tulip flowers. Then we draw the picture of a zinnia flower, and for that, for our convenience, we have drawn an outline using pencil so that the petals will be arranged in an order. Okay, so for that order we draw a pencil outline, and finally when the picture is complete we can erase the pencil marks. Okay, again we're demonstrating a zinnia flower. Here is an outline that has been drawn using pencil, and we draw the petals and other parts using our pen, and when it is finished we can erase what we have drawn using pencils. So we can color this picture. Zinnia flower ready. Now we draw the picture of a trumpet flower. For that we draw a cloud-like structure, and at the center we mark some straight lines that indicates that it has a hollow portion inside that. Then we draw the stem, and we are also adding a flower bud. Okay, so there is a flower bud also. We can add the leaves. Its leaves have a different shape. It has three finger-like structure. Then we can color it. Now let us move to our next picture. This is a flower with sharp-edged petals. Okay, so you can see sawtooth-like projections at the edge of each petals. Okay, so we can add such petals, and that is with this flower, and we can attach these flowers to a single stem, and we can draw leaves. Okay, its leaves are also sharp and very narrow. Okay, so it has some thorn-like projections as well. And now we draw a thistle flower. It is easy to draw, but we have to make it more accurate, and it takes time. So there is a center. We can mark a small circular dot at the center and draw many lines projected from that center, or radiating outwards, and at the edge of those lines we have to mark some leaf-like structure. Then we can color it. Okay, so that is with this. We can mark some flying seeds also near to that flower. Okay, so this flower is very beautiful and it takes time to draw that. And now we finally move to a rose flower, and this is very beautiful. We have seen one rose flower, but this view is different from that. So we have drawn the flower, and now we are drawing the stem and its leaves. Okay, thank you.